Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Make sure your laptop is online and the browser is updated so playback is stable. Once done, sign into YouTube or paste the video URL into the address bar. This avoids search delays. Make sure audio output is set to your speakers or headphones. If you plan to cast or record, enable necessary permissions now. By preparing these items first, you prevent interruptions and speed the rest of the process. Next, you load the video and configure playback settings tailored to your needs. Click the gear icon and choose resolution. Lower it if buffering occurs. Then verify sound routing in your system sound settings and the browser tab. Choose the correct output device and adjust volume. If you want uninterrupted viewing, enable full screen or picture-in-picture. For external displays, use cast or HDMI. These steps control quality and eliminate common mismatches between video and audio. To finish, watch a minute of the video and confirm sync, clarity, and audio levels. If stuttering appears, close background apps, pause for buffering, or drop resolution temporarily. For casting or HDMI problems, restart the laptop, router, or reauthorize the device. That simple reset often fixes handshakes. If you can't view a private clip, switch to the account with access or request permission. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the browser cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.